Welcome to Forestry Technology, where raw horsepower meets precision engineering, and the world's most powerful land clearing machines prove that nature's toughest challenges can be mastered with the right tools. Stumps in the garden can be an eyesore and a nuisance, but the Titan Economy Stump Bucket makes quick work of them. Built with sturdy steel and a practical, no-nonsense design, it's the perfect solution for DIY gardeners and landowners who want to keep their property clean without turning it into a construction zone. The Dipper Fox SC 850 Pro is not just a tool, it's a statement. Designed for heavy-duty excavators, this powerhouse attacks stubborn stumps like they're nothing. It's the kind of machine you get when brute demolition strength meets surgical precision. Even better, it leaves minimal ground disturbance and creates a natural mulch layer, proving that efficiency and eco-responsibility can coexist. Weighing approximately 1,323 pounds, the skid-steer-mounted hydraulic conical screw wood splitter cuts and splits wood with relentless speed. Powered by a 3.5 horsepower motor and a robust hydraulic system, it delivers serious performance for operators who don't have time to waste. When it's time to crush instead of cut, the Carlton 7015 TRX enters the scene. Its sharp teeth tear stumps apart and grind them into fragments. With a 7.4 horsepower engine and a weight of 12,137 pounds, it's on a mission, and stumps don't stand a chance. The FAE Biomass harvester takes land clearing to the next level. Its robust frame and high-performance mulching head make overgrown terrain disappear fast. By processing material on site, it reduces transport needs, lowers costs, and leaves behind a cleaner, more manageable landscape. The XT Forestry Mulcher transforms one of the most tedious jobs in the industry into a smooth operation. Instead of fighting stump after stump, you watch them ripped and chipped away effortlessly. The mulch can even be reused, turning waste into value. For maximum handheld power, the Husqvarna 3120 XP chainsaw delivers serious cutting authority. Known for its impressive engine capacity and raw output, this machine makes tough stumps feel manageable. In the world of forestry tractors, the Romanian articulated forestry tractor Super Puterea cu un Tolf Tuningat dominates rough terrain with high torque and durability. Difficult ground becomes just another obstacle to overcome. When comparing chainsaw giants, the Stihl MS-881 and the Husqvarna 3120 XP both bring serious muscle. The MS-881 offers 6.4 horsepower, ideal for massive timber, while the 3120 XP pushes 6.5 horsepower for jobs demanding maximum output. Add the Denny CMAF DAF 150D attachment to a Bobcat T 650, and you've got a compact machine transformed into a land-clearing beast. It's built to handle tough vegetation, trail maintenance, and large property management with efficiency. Sometimes ingenuity wins. Pulling a stump with a truck using mechanical advantage shows raw physics at work. With a tow strap, chain, and a cleverly built pivot system made from logs and steel, It becomes teamwork between man, machine, and leverage. The John Deere 1110E, powered by a 210 horsepower engine and weighing around 30,865 pounds, excels as a log hauler in snowy winter conditions. Harsh environments don't slow it down, they showcase its strength. Homemade engineering also shines in a 100 horsepower firewood processing machine built to handle high volumes quickly. Optimized design means faster cutting, smoother workflow, and serious time savings. For large-scale woodworking, the BLB Energy GBR 9475 handles logs up to 5 meters long. With conical splitting technology, it processes oversized timber without diameter limitations, delivering consistent efficiency. Pair the John Deere 7730 with a forestry mulching rotor and land clearing becomes faster and smarter. Stumps are reduced to mulch in minutes, turning exhausting labor into streamlined production. The African 23 forestry saw, packing 230 horsepower and weighing 35,274 pounds, is built for serious logging operations. It cuts and hauls large trees with authority. Even transplanting massive trees is no longer an impossible task. Modern machinery, designed specifically for relocation, turns what once required enormous manual effort into a smooth, controlled process. In handheld performance, the Style MS 462 chainsaw stands out with a 7.0 horsepower engine and a lightweight 13.67 pound frame, balancing power and maneuverability for professional felling. Compact but capable, the Teatava 4 HP chainsaw provides dependable cutting power for heavy-duty logging where precision matters. The HP 970 HR42 hydraulic saw attachment eliminates hours of manual chainsaw labor. Designed for skid steer loaders and featuring a 4.2-inch carbide blade, it handles large-scale clearing with speed and control. Even small stumps can feel like a puzzle, but with simple tools, a 3-ton floor jack, heavy-duty chain, jack stands, pry bars, and smart leverage problem-solving becomes practical engineering. The Green Chip 838 CH self-propelled wood chipper, powered by an 8.38 horsepower diesel engine and weighing approximately 26,455 pounds, handles hardwoods and large branches without hesitation. The RT400 drum attachment grinds stumps across hectares of land in varied conditions. With steady travel speed and a massive frame, it blends brute force with calculated precision. And when it comes to sheer dominance, the RGS Raptor XXL DK stands as a giant in log processing. Powered by a 710 horsepower Cat C 18 diesel engine and weighing 45 tons, it tackles tough wood and complex debris with relentless efficiency.